So everybody, Carl Builder here. In today's video, I'll be actually finally showing y'all my new car. Yes, y'all guess. I had a poll on Instagram and, which car do y'all think it is? And, I'm gonna show y'all today. You ready? Woo. Yes, guys, y'all got it right. It's a Mustang. This right here is my 2004 40th anniversary Ford Mustang. And with 3.9 liter V6. So right here, there it is right here. Comes to the front, come back. Got the FRS 500 wheels here. When I first got the car, I had like two 95 30s on it. I ended up smoking them out, doing donuts and burnouts and all that there. So I had to go with something smaller because 295 is a low hard tire size that you would find. So right now I stretched some 245 40 18s on here for now. I actually kind of like the meaty look, just trying to get a feel of a solid tire setup. I like the first one, but I'm kind of getting used to the little beefier one. So you have that there, then right here you have the same thing, but they're actually staggered. But right now I have the same size all the way around. When you come to the back, you got smoked out tail lights, smoked out brake light. I wired that up, solid tail cover. I got the spoiler, but the spoiler is storage. But right here is, car. I have pictures of when I first got the car. The car had like a massive dent in the door, so I'm like, man, I'm gonna just buy a whole another door. Then, I had little dents here, but I'm actually gonna finish it up because why go to the body shop if I can do that kind of work, which is time. Right here I put the primer bumper back on because I actually got a story I gotta tell y'all. But that's another video. It's story time on why. Question, okay, you look here, why it's got Cobra, even though it's still a 3.9 V6 40th anniversary, why it doesn't have a Cobra emblem on. I'm not a racer, but you might ask, so why is this color darker than this here? So it's a whole story time to tell y'all for that video. But right now I'm just giving y'all a quick review on my car. But I'll show you the interior, but I don't want to be judged. My car in the back is just full of my tools and all that there, because I work out on my car sometimes, carry my tools home and just put them in the back seat, or I might just have my tools in the back with a floor jack, so I might see grease, grime. But you open the door, this right is 5% tint, 5% here, 5% on the next side there. I was thinking about doing 5% tint on the windshield, on the back glass here, but I think in time it go lighter. When you open the car, you see my tools and all that there. Got the black seats. That right there's a speaker wire for my set I have to install for get a thicker wire, because thicker is better when it comes to sound. But just trying to be funny now, thicker is better than anything, but that's not the fact. But thicker is better when it comes to speaker, make powered sound and all that there. But this passenger seat, and I got the time, got the aftermarket radio, got the steering wheel there. That's pretty much it. But like I told y'all, I have a goodie in the back that I am obsessed with music. So I love music, I love bass and all that there. So you already know, gotta bring it back. Got two 12s. I got two 12s in the trunk. Just have to pop it. Alright, here we're gonna turn down the bass knob, but we're gonna turn it up. You know, got the silver Mustang, you know, light. Oh, I forgot to show you my most favorite part about this car. You know, I told y'all it has, I didn't tell y'all it have sequential lights. Look at that, that's my favorite thing. Then when you hit the brake light, it does the same thing. But this right is my favorite. It kind of gives me like a S550 kind of feel. But I'm like ruining it for everybody, but I'm gonna show y'all my favorite part, because you know my favorite part ain't under the hood right now, but my favorite part is in the music.
Too much talking.
See, I don't want to get
What you want?
right here.
We took the photos off the Chevy and we said we don't know 646. Stick on the rails, got the rails going.
I have this one turned down. That's why all my people in my boxes, I use the ball trunk to put this in. It's not turned up all the way, so it's not how that kind of sound. It ain't a yeah. My car idling a little high right now, but you know, see when you have it, it kind of got a little top. That's the first thought of it. Shut it off, take the key out. Right now we're gonna go under the hood. You know, right here is the GT hood. I actually really love the hood. You know, it's amazing. Then right here, we're gonna bring the hood up. Show you the side and back. Then you got this right here. See this right here, the thick oak is a 4 gauge wire. But you know, yeah, I want a thicker wire so it might sound to be way better. So ain't nothing too crazy. Right here just a regular 3.9 liter. You know, nothing really special done to it. It had a cold air intake, but when I first got the car, I had a check engine light. And comes to find out it was related to cold air intake, but you know, now from what I see now, it's not. So I could possibly put it back and get that sound, like smooth whistle. But ain't nothing really too crazy here. I just put new spark plugs in. What else? I dropped the 99-cent clip. Okay, that's a whole nother story. I ain't even gonna get into it yet. But that's a story on why everything like this is done up. But I'm gonna say that story for another time, because it's a funny story, but it's not kind of funny because I haven't got it fixed yet, because it kind of has a vacuum leak. So I'm gonna tell you the story after it's fixed. But you know, when you start it up, it sounds like it has a chop, but not a good kind. Not a good kind of chop.
pouring, so I'll find another one.